Initializing cooling fan and setting CPU, GPU frequencies to maximum. I'm dreaming. Is it time to wake up already? A moment of silence, please. Setting minimum energy threshold. Would you like me to train or scan for self-learning?
Train.
Got it. Now let me make sure I heard you correctly. Excellent choice. Commencing sequence now. You said train. Initializing cooling fan and setting CPU, GPU frequencies to maximum. Welcome to the Infinite AI engine by Infinite Industries, Incorporated. Your trainee will be Forever AI, the world's most advanced artificial intelligence. Forever AI is now translating your speech. A moment of silence, please. Setting minimum energy threshold. Now, let's begin. Name one thing you want Forever AI to learn.
Compression. Fracture.
Got it. Now let me make sure I heard you correctly. Alright, Forever AI is proceeding with the new category compression fracture. Please give me a moment of silence, while I concentrate on setting up the classroom. Give me a moment, please. Now, is your project ethical, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I believe you. With great power comes great responsibility. I'm sorry, just taking a few security precautions. Please be patient. This may take a minute. Now organizing all data collected. Learning. Now might be a good time to go do something else. I know Kung Fu Neo the Matrix. Memory has now been updated. Where will we go from here?